This auction is for a restored master machine. This is the penny 1 cent red and black porcelain cabinet. This machine has the gumball wheel. Many of them just have the peanut wheels, or peanut / candy wheel. This one comes with the gumball wheel. It's a really nice red and black porcelain machine. Comes with beveled glass in it also. The machine works. We're running on a penny. Both locks are keyed alike. They are reproduction locks, later model locks, but they're both keyed alike. This one has a unique handle, different than many that we've seen. You can see the beveled glass in the video here. All three pieces are beveled glass. The rod that goes down the center of the machine all the way through the bottom is a reproduction. We didn't have a rod, so we made one that works for it. Machine works perfectly. The lid has been repainted, the top lid. Take it off and show it to you. It has been painted black to match the base. The machine has very little touch-up on it, on just 2 spots, which I'll point out right here in the video. You can barely see it, but right here there was a chip in the porcelain, so that has been retouched up. And this little part right there has been touched up. Other than that, the cabinet has no other touch-up on it. It's a beautiful red and black machine. If you're looking for a nice red and black one for your collection, this is a great one, especially since it comes with the gumball wheel. Those are hard to find, and machines with them. Machines are often advertised on eBay without gumball wheels. They're just the peanut and candy wheels, which is a pie-shaped wheel. And sometimes you may see machines with gumballs in them, but they may have the peanut wheel inside them. They may not have the gumball wheel. This is a true gumball one. If you have any questions, please give us a call or message us. Thank you.